Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm about to show you a method using which you'll be able to make $100 every day from Instagram. Now before we move forward to this video, I want you to commit to me that you are going to pay 100% attention in this video. So close down your smartphones, close down all the notifications which you'll be getting on your smartphone or on your computer. In whichever device you're watching, close down all of those extra additional apps which you have opened parallelly. Now once you do that, pay close attention to this video, because in this video I'm about to show you a method using which you can not only create and grow your Instagram accounts but earn huge profit from them. Yes, you heard it right. You will be making Instagram accounts and will be making huge profit by flipping these Instagram accounts, and I'm about to show you a strategy using you will be able to do this in a very efficient and easy manner. Yes, you are not going to ask people to like or follow you. Rather, what you're going to do is something unique which no one else is doing it on a larger scale. I want you to do that on a larger scale so that you can get a larger profit. The amount of money I'm talking about is not just $100. Every month you'll be able to make thousands of dollars if you are doing this consistently over and over again for a few weeks. So now let's get started. I want you to go down below and tell me from which country you are. The reason why I'm asking is that if you are targeting US country, then you'll be able to make huge money. If you're targeting tier 2 countries like India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, then you'll be able to make a little less money. So that's why it doesn't matter from which country you are, your target should always be US as well as Europe. These two locations will give you maximum revenue. So how to do that? How to first create an Instagram account? So to create an Instagram account, you just have to go to instagram.com. If you don't know what Instagram is, then let me just tell you. So Instagram is a popular service online on which you can connect with your followers. You can create Instagram accounts for almost anything. For example, you can create an Instagram account for dogs. You can create an Instagram account for finance. You can create an Instagram account for quotations, and you can grow these with the help of the audience which is already existing on Instagram. Right now, Instagram has over billion people on its platform. Just imagine, over 1 billion people are active on Instagram. Even if a small percentage of that follows your account, imagine the amount of people who are following your profiles, and that way you'll be making money. So how to actually make this thing work? So I want you to go and first create an Instagram account. For example, there is this simple page called as Dog Lovers, and you can see that by doing 1605 posts, they have gained over 5.8 million followers. So I will give you a rough calculation. 58. So this is 5.8 million followers divided by 1605 posts. So you can see that for every post they did, they generated over 3613 followers. Exactly, this is what we need to do. I am going to tell you a strategy. Using it, you will be able to make 1000 followers for every single post you do. And not only that, you'll get even more followers as your channel grows. And second thing is, how are you going to generate the content? So let me tell you a few places from where you can get amazing pictures which you can use for free. The first place which I'm going to share with you is called as Unsplash. So you can go to unsplash.com and search for pictures for anything, and it is completely free to use images. As you can see that their license itself says that all photos can be downloaded and used for free. Commercial and non-commercial purposes are allowed, and you don't need any permission. So guys, now once you are on unsplash.com, you need to search for the picture which you are looking for. For example, Unsplash have categories like business, religious categories, drinks, backgrounds, fashion, athletics, films. You can see that wallpapers, nature, experimental, people, architecture. You can see there are so many categories which are available. Now if you want to go for any specific category, for example, I want to go for a dog, so I'll just search for dog, and you'll see that there are over 10,000 photos of dogs on this website, and you can use all of them for absolutely free. And then you can use these cute dogs directly on your Instagram profile and generate likes. Now the thing is that, will using these images directly give you likes and follows? Well, no, it doesn't work in that way. What we need to do is we need to first use proper hashtags. So for hashtags, there is this website called as allhashtag.com. So you need to allhashtag.com and search for the word which you are looking for. In my case, I'm looking for dog related hashtags. So I'll search for dog and I'll click on generate, and it will generate lots and lots of hashtags which are related to dogs. And using these hashtags, I'll get lots and lots of likes and follows. They're all hashtags related to dogs. Dog, dogs of Instagram, dogs, dogstagram, dog lover, dog of the day. So you see, there are very good hashtags, and you just need to click on this one button and it will be automatically copied. Now what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram profile, upload any of these pictures and use these hashtags which you have generated. Now when you do that over and over again for many profiles at once, you don't have to restrict yourself to just one profile. What you need to do is you need to create 20 Instagram profiles in a single go. Now every day post on these 20 profiles, every day use hashtags, and these can all be from different categories, they can all be from same categories, it doesn't matter. But when you do that over and over again and you have over 20 accounts with each having 10,000 followers, I'm not even talking about going to million followers and then selling it. No, you don't have to do that initially. You just need 10,000 followers, and when you reach the point of 10,000 followers, you can sell these Instagram accounts at a very high price. Now the only question is that what is that website where you can find some really good money making opportunities to sell these Instagram profiles? So what you need to do is you need to go to this website called as toofame.com. You can see that it says toofame.com, and you can see that take your brand to the next level, buy and sell Instagram accounts. So what we need to do is we need to go to this website and click on sell. And when you click on sell, it will take you to this page where they'll be asking you some basic information. I want to sell an account, and then they'll ask you for basic information like your username, what's the size, how many comments you're getting, what are the average number of likes you're getting, what is the niche, what is the price you're looking for, then payment method, and fill in everything and then click on submit. Now if you have questions like how will you get paid, you'll get via PayPal. You can see that there are different payment options like Western Union, Bitcoin, and direct bank transfer. So you'll be getting money directly in your bank transfer. How fast do you get the payment? So it's very fast, but it also depends on the payment method you have selected. Then can I get your account back after I sell it? Well, no, you cannot get it because you have sold it to someone else, and now someone else is the owner. Now the big question is that how much money you can make. So that's a big surprise, but let me tell you, you can see that the existing accounts which are already being sold on toofame.com has very good values. For example, there is this page of 21,200 followers of dogs, and it is being sold at $429. Just imagine, $429. There is this page of 295k likes, and it is being sold at $5,499. This page of cats which is just 1,000 followers is being sold at $109. This dogs related page is being sold at $109. So you see, it's not a big deal. You can get up to $200 to $400 for a page which has over 5,000 likes. You don't even have to go till 10,000 if you don't want it. If you are going to grow it to 10,000 or 20,000 or 15,000, then you'll be getting high amounts obviously. But if you are someone who wants quick money, then what you can do is you can grow these pages in a month up to 5,000 to 10,000 followers according to your own choice and needs, and then sell it at a very good price. So just imagine if you are working on these accounts parallelly, 20 of these accounts having 5,000 followers each, you can easily sell them up to $200. So $200 for 20 accounts. Just imagine the money you'll be making, $4,000 for the month, where you create no content, you don't create any videos, you don't do any hard work, you just upload pictures taken from Unsplash. Now if you want to do it at a larger scale, you can do it with 40 accounts, you can do it with 80 accounts. Just imagine the money. If it would be 8, you'll be making around $16,000 in the month. That makes it $500 per day, and 80 accounts means uploading 80 pictures in a day, and I don't think so it's a very hard task to do. You can upload one picture every 5 minutes, and that's not a very hard thing to do. 5 minutes into, if I do the calculation for you, 5 minutes into 80 pictures, that makes it 400 minutes, and if I divide these 400 minutes by 60 minutes, that just means that you have to spend 6.6 hours daily. And I don't think so it's very hard deal to spend 6.6 hours daily if you want to make $500 daily. So you see, every hour you'll be making more than $100 if you follow my strategy, and if you use hashtags from allhashtag.com, you can definitely generate really good and handsome income online without having any technical skill, without working hard, just following this simple method. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.